Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to cash out or withdraw your roundups on Cash App. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you've been saving small amounts from your purchases, this is how you can actually use that money. First, open your Cash App and sign into your account using your credentials. Once you're inside the app, tap on the Banking or Money tab, usually located at the bottom of the screen. From there, look for the Savings section and tap on it to open your savings dashboard. Now, before withdrawing anything, make sure that the Roundup feature is enabled. This is the feature that automatically saves spare change from your transactions. Every time you make a purchase using your Cash App card, the total is rounded up to the nearest dollar, and the extra amount is stored in your savings. If this is turned on, your accumulated roundups will appear inside the Savings section. Once you're in the savings area and you see your available balance, the next step is very simple. Tap on the Withdraw option. If you have enough funds saved from your roundups, you'll be able to move that money directly into your main Cash App balance. After transferring, the money becomes instantly available for you to send, spend, or cash out to your bank. If you don't see any balance, it likely means you haven't accumulated enough roundups yet, or the feature isn't active. In that case, just keep using your Cash App card for purchases, and the savings will build up over time. And that's it. So that's basically how you can cash out or withdraw your roundups on Cash App. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.